Shanti. Good morning to all of you. I am R.K. Hejela. I have retired from the post of Additional Director General Border Security Force, and I have served for 39 years in the Border Security Force. I joined as an officer in 1975 and I retired in 2014. Having during my this long career in BSF, I have served the entire on the western border and on the eastern border. I have traveled widely all across the Pakistan border as well as Bangladesh border. I have served on the snow covered peaks at the height of 14,000, 15,000 in the Kashmir Valley. I have traveled and served in the northeastern region on the air maintain post long back when there was absolutely no conveyance and no roads available. And later in the before retirement, I served as a IG BSF in the Chhattisgarh in the Naxalite prone area, which was covering Bastar region of Chhattisgarh as well as Kanke district. And I have seen that the bordermen are having very tough life, very tough duties, and they have to serve in very tough conditions. You see, from one side they are working under minus temperatures in the Kashmir, and on the other hand they are working in the 50 degrees centigrade temperature in the Rajasthan border. I have also served in the Rajasthan. I have seen the 50-degree temperature myself, and then one has to go to northeast region where the BSF is deployed in the very remote areas, like in Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura. These are very tough areas. Now the things have improved in my career, I have seen, but what I was seeing earlier, the areas are very remote and it's very difficult to even stay for a single day there. But our men are doing the duties round the clock and 24 into 7 and 365 days. There are no holidays, no rest, no relief. Everything is very difficult for them. They work under very difficult situations, and you see, uh, that is why we have a lot of tension and stress in the life, and it's very difficult to work. And this tension and stress has gone very high, particularly nowadays, because of the circumstances under which our defense forces, paramilitary forces personnel, particularly, they are working in any part of the India, particularly on the borders or in the Naxalite area or in the northeast region. So after retirement, when I retired from service in 2014, I thought I must now take rest and try to find out how I can reduce my own stress and how I can share my experience with the Jawans, officers of these forces, and how I can help them to overcome this sort of stress and tension in their life. So I joined the Brahma Kumaris organization, and I have come in Gyan for last 3 years. I am in Gyan, and I have nowadays I have come here in the Academy for the Better World in Gyan Sarovar complex of the Brahma Kumaris at Mount Abu, and I am attending a national conference of 4 days, which was attended by about more than 500 officers and inspectors of all the defense forces, all the paramilitary forces, police forces, and jail staff, and about 30 different security organizations of our country have come here to attend this national conference. It was about the inspirational leadership and I found that I must have done a number of courses in the BSF in my service career outside in the civil, but the experience which I saw here, I have never seen outside in the civil life, in my force life of 39 years. And I think this was a wonderful exposure to all the police forces, personnel officers and subordinate officers. And I recommend to all of you that you must come and attend this course, because this course or this your association with the Brahma Kumaris will change your entire life. Your life will be, you will be a different person. And what they teach here is called Raj Yoga meditation, and it's a very, very simple technique. There's nothing to do. In every city, in every district, or even in small cities, they have their centers, and you can go there and attend their 7 days course. It is of 1 hour, and it can be accommodated as per your convenience, and without any charge. The sisters of Brahma Kumari will teach you the Raj Yoga meditation, and after going through this, if you practice the Raj Yoga meditation subsequently after doing this course, you will find yourself that you are a changed man, and that is going to help you in solving day-to-day problems of your professional life, your personal life, as well as your interpersonal relation will improve, and you will be definitely a changed man, which I have myself noticed and observed with my very little exposure with this beautiful organization. And I strongly recommend that all of you must do this Raj Yoga meditation, learn the Raj Yoga meditation, and try to attend this type of national seminars and courses. They are organizing free of cost. There is no charge. Only thing that you have to apply in advance when the courses are there, and you can come to Mount Abu. And here you see, what I have noticed is that when you enter in their gate, there's an entirely different vibrations, and those vibrations are not available anywhere. So you have a different feeling, entirely different feeling, which I have never seen in my life. At this age, I have seen these type of vibration, very calm, very peaceful. You see, I have heard and studied and learned that service with a smile is required from every individual, but here I have practically seen that the Brahma Kumaris, the brothers and sisters here who are working here round the clock, round the year, they are definitely doing the service with a smile, with their own willingness. And mind you, nothing is charged here for a stay, nothing is charged for your course. It is totally free, and it's a very, very good place, and I feel that you should not miss this opportunity in your life. Thank you very much for giving me the time, and Om Shanti.